Hey everybody, it's Trip on Two Wheels. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm out on the Fat Bob this morning and I am riding up the highway that you see across the way there, and I start to pass this military train that's just loaded down with the most awesome armament and tanks. So I speed up, I come down this road about 3 or 4 miles, hop off the Fat Bob. I'm camped out now waiting for this train to come down the tracks. I had to show it to you, it's just so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I thought it was pretty cool. I've only seen one other train like this in my life, but this one was by far the better one. It just goes to show you, get out and ride your motorcycle. You never know what you're going to see. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe and give this video a big fat like. Until next time, this is Trip on Two Wheels asking you to ride safe and ride often.